In this tutorial, I will show you the runway entry procedure. Then I'll show you how to operate Qualitywings RG's aircraft for both takeoff and climb. When we receive the takeoff clearance from the tower, we do the runway entry or takeoff items, starting with the landing light. Select on, strobe set to on, transponder select TARA, traffic on final, clear, advance thrust levers to allow aircraft to move to the lineup position. Advance thrust levers to allow engine power to increase and stabilize to between 50 and 60% N1. Click on Toga Spot to initiate the takeoff thrust. Auto throttle takeoff max green. Now we're gonna hear the computer voices call out. The first one will be 80 knots when we reach the 80 knots speed. The second call out will be V1, where we move our hand away from the thrust levers. The third call out will be rotate.
V1. Rotate.
Positive climb rate, gear up.
V2.
Now I need to select an intercept heading to enable LNAV guidance. Now as you can see, our pre-selected headings crosses our first leg we want to intercept. At 400 radio altitude we can select LNAV. LNAV1 green, confirmed. Now I'm flying using Flight Director. At 1000 radio altitude we select VNAV and we set our climb power. In this case I select normal climb power. Auto throttle climb normal, green, confirmed. Now the aircraft is speeding up toward V dot, where we can safely retract the flaps. Flaps up. At this point I can engage the autopilot by selecting nav1. Autopilot engaged, confirmed. Now I turn the engine's air switches to on. Then I turn off the APU air. APU stop. At 10,000 feet we turn off the landing lights. Power transfer unit switch select off. And this completes the takeoff and climb procedure.